Everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will show you how to check if your iPhone is original or fake. Let's get started. First, unlock your iPhone and open settings on your phone. Now tap on general. After that, tap on about. If your phone is running iOS with smooth animations and official Apple settings, that's a good sign. Fake iPhone usually run Android with an iOS looking theme. In settings general about, look for a model number. Tap on it once. It should change to a code starting with A, like A2484. Now search that model number on Google. If it matches an official iPhone model from Apple, your phone is original. Now copy the serial number, open Safari and go to Apple's official coverage check website. Paste the serial number there. If Apple shows your iPhone details, your phone is 100% original. And that's it. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.